He is crazy. He is old. But is he a coot? It's time for the Crazy Old Coot.
Yay! It's Crazy Old Coot here. How you doing? This is an unboxing video. These should be parts for a office computer I'm going to be building. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages. So let's get this off to the side here. Okay, let's take this little package first, okay? What do we got in this thing? Let's use the sharper side. And we have another package. Oh, at least should tell me something. This is for a very old laptop that my son picked up. So this isn't part of the build. It's a power module for an old laptop. Okay, what do we got here? We have some Patriot 8GB, 24GB, DDR4 2400. Got it under $100, so that's good. And this should be an M.2. Yep. 500 gigabyte M.2. I think it was an open box or something. I got it for like $130 for 500 gigabyte. So that's a good price. Okay. So we got those two things done. And let's see how we're doing here. Okay. This, I'm going to guess it is the motherboard. You get a good price on this. Oh, this is heavy. ASRock AB350M. RGB book, the very important screw, and the faceplate, 2 SATA 3 cables, and the motherboard. Ooh, nice black. So, I think the only thing we're waiting on now for this build is the CPU, and we should have that tomorrow. So hopefully I'll be doing the video for it this weekend. Okay. So we got the motherboard, we got the memory, we got the M.2 drive. Ooh, this is heavy. Ooh. Okay, we got the Cooler Master Power. This is a bronze 500. We got a good deal on that. So that's the power module. Oh, and Radeon RX 550. So this. Is because we needed graphics and we didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. It's only an office computer, so ooh, it looks nice, plastic, cheap, but what do you expect for $90? DVI, HDMI, and DP. No external power mark, so it gets all its power from the PCIe. Okay, so let's go back here. Get this. Of course, this time of year you get lots of good sales, so let's see what we got here. It doesn't open that way. It opens from the end. Oh, there we go. Pretty good packaging. Of course, it's not modular, but which may be a problem, but we'll find out. Nice black, pretty clean looking. See how it works. And of course you're going, what's in the box? Bottom box. Of course that's the case. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this case in the build or not, but if I don't use it in this build, I'm going to use it in the build I use to replace my editing computer, my photo editing and music editing computer. Now, this only costs $30. So, when something only costs $30, you gotta, did I get my $30 worth? Now, the most complaints I got when I did my research on this case is bent. And it was mostly trivial because the metal's so thin you can easily bend it back in place. I don't see any bends or damage. In fact, this looks very good. Okay, got a nice window here. But again, this window is, it is cheap. But it does look good. And it's got blue LEDs. So it's white with blue LEDs. And for $30, what can you go? It comes with 2 fans with LEDs. Both sides are removable. The inside only comes with one, and it's cheap. But again, it's $30. So that's everything. The only thing left is the CPU, which is going to be a AMD R3 1200. And then we get to play. Okay? Well, this is Crazy Old Coot wishing you a good evening.